This one is small bee in the world. See this one? It's a small bee. This one not eat flower, not produce honey. They eat all the bark tree, so they produce properly. But this one is sting like bee, cannot sting. I show you this one. This one hive, one queen. You want to see the queen? Oh. This one the queen bee. Queen has a long life, 5 years. Or the bee only 2 months die. Because different fruit, queen she take raw jelly, worker bee they take bee pollen honey, so they have 1 month only. But if they have 1 month, if it's me and the head for to feed the queen, but they cannot take. If they take, they will become the queen.
Yes. Very nice. Thank you.
And this one properly from the small bee. See this one? And this one we put the bee behind, and then we move the honey come down. And this one I show you how to play around jelly, put of queen. The queen when they sit in there, we try the queen put inside this one for to let 3,000 eggs a day. And then all the bee they come for its milk for to feed the queen. Then milk is pull this small with the more queen and play like this. See this one? Yeah, I can take only baby. Baby can see they more than see they cannot take this one for the queen only can take. But this one not sweet, sour and spicy. This one we show you how to collect the bee pollen. Bee hive like that. At the morning we open like this. We get out to collect pollen from the flower, make it sticky with the leg, bring inside to the beehive. When they reach beehive, we close like this. Bee inside, but pollen granule fall down. This one, pollen. See? Then same like this. Okay, then I show you. So now we stay here, Pattaya, but our farm, not sell of Thailand, Chiang Mai, our farm. And this one. And this one I show you how to test honey. See this one, how to test honey. You see the true honey can cook angel, can clean your eye. Nó sinh lên sân trâu, can fire. And this is our registered product from honey. And this honey, we pollen and rock jelly. That's one propolis. Yeah, and this is our factory. And after that we have to make about this one also. Yeah. We have come into. And you see this one, the biggest behind Thailand. This is the biggest behind Thailand. And this one, we take the One queen here and all the way they follow the queen. These all product produced from honey only. There is tamarind, banana, honey chocolate, yeah, and cosmetic, honey coffee. You take a picture, cool here. Cosmetic over there.
Okay. Finish.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.